Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add outline to text, right? So here I will just go and select my tool section here, which is basically I can just write here. I will click on my screen and I will just write here football, right? And once you can see I can change it in my essential graphics. I can change my each and everything. For example, I will just set it into the middle. I will just increase the size of my text, right? If it doesn't work, just make sure you select it, then you can just change according to you. Now here I can just change my font and everything, right? So this is very easy. If you're not able to find this essential graphics, you can just go to Windows and make sure there's a tick mark beside this and it will activate in your screen. Right now I just want to put something. For example, I will just add here in the middle. Now I want to add an outline to my text. So how I will do it, I will select, first of all I will select my football here. Make sure that it should be in red color. It will show that it is selected right now. Now here there's an option. If you scroll a little bit down, you'll find there's an option of stroke. So make sure you just tick on it. Once you tick on it, just select, for example, I just want to in blue color. The outline should be in blue color. So I will just put it in a blue color. Now here you can see stroke width. So I can just increase it. As I increase it, you can see there's a change of the strokes outside of the text, right? So for example, I will just add till 20. I can just click and enter the number whichever I want. Now you can see that this is way where you can add the outline to your text. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.